today's video, I'll show you how to connect QuickBooks API to N8N, enabling seamless automation and efficient workflow management. Make sure you have admin access to both QuickBooks Online and N8N before starting. First, open N8N and navigate to the Credentials section from the left sidebar. Click Create New and select QuickBooks Online from the list. This will prepare N8N to connect with your QuickBooks account. Next, choose OAuth 2 as your authentication method. This secure protocol ensures your credentials remain private while granting N8N the necessary permissions to access QuickBooks data. Now head to the QuickBooks Developer Console to set up your OAuth 2 credentials. Follow the QuickBooks Node documentation carefully to create the client ID, client secret and oath to redirect URI. Ensure the QuickBooks Online API is enabled so N8N can interact with your data. Return to N8N and enter your client ID, client secret and redirect URI into the credential fields. Double check that all information matches exactly as provided by QuickBooks. Once done, click Save to securely store your credentials. With this, your QuickBooks API is now connected to N8N. You can start building automated workflows to manage invoices, payments, reports, and more, boosting productivity and streamlining your accounting tasks. And that's it. Your QuickBooks and N8N integration is ready for powerful automation.